we're heading off to Earls Barton. It's the classic car meet. It's the first one of the year, first one of the season. It's a glorious day today. The event, I can't remember the word, event opens at 4:30 through till dusk on a Wednesday, first Wednesday of the month. It's the 18th today, so it's obviously not the first Wednesday because it was postponed due to the waterlogged grounds field, so they put it back 2 weeks. So this is the rearranged, rescheduled one. So I'm going to tootle over there now and see who's there. And it's only the second one I've been to actually. The first one I went to was in September of last year, which was actually the last one of the year. So I've had a bit of a wait to go to the second one, and the plan is that I would like to attend a few more this year, so we'll see how we get on. I was unsure on which car to take, so it was either the Chevy or the Cobra, and as you've probably worked out, I'm sitting in the Chevy, so that's the one I'm taking. Windows are rolled down both sides, so I'm looking particularly cool, and yeah, just about to start her up and see how we go. So I'm just going to fix your camera in some kind of sensible position, which probably won't end up sensible at all. Just move that around a bit. Yeah, that goes. Probably rock a bit. And let's fire her up. Well, starts. It's always good. So that'll warm up a bit. It's got an electric choke on this, so it's actually better than the Cobra in terms of cold starting, and it runs a lot better on the electric choke. You can pull away straight away if you want to, unlike the Cobra. Those who saw the previous video that I popped up about starting the Cobra. And I still tend to wait for this to warm up a bit more before I tootle off anywhere. I guess one reason for that is I've got a ramp, hydraulic ramp, which the car is straddled at the moment, so I have to go sort of up and over that before I go anywhere, which means that you have to have a fairly good warm engine so it doesn't stall when you start moving off straight away, because it's got to go a little hill to get up straight away within about 6 inches of moving off. So if it hasn't warmed up properly, sometimes it bolts to that. But it's lovely and warm outside, 24 degrees apparently, so awesomely sunny, so it should be a good show this evening. I'm going to take the GoPro out and record lots of stuff, go around with that and see what cars are there. Too early on the choke. Through the years, it's been out once already. You see about that's in neutral, drive, that's in reverse. Tight getting in and out of the garage. It's, as long as you're slow and careful, it's fine. It only just fits in. The over the ramp. The other car I was looking at was a 59 Caddy, which I absolutely love. However, that's just too big for the garage by some 2 foot, and just never going to happen really. So to save me having to get out and shut the garage doors, we've got little automated doors. Shut those down. Hi through laziness. tank of fuel, full tank of fuel even, and we're good to go. This last little bit tight. Probably going to go the back roads. More interesting, enjoyable. Glorious day. Oh, the brakes are a bit snatchy. Pressure's good. Got a couple of extra dials down here, one for oil pressure, one for water temperature. Even though there is actually a water temperature up here, most people disconnect it. So it's not very, it's not very accurate. It's either H or C, and there's like a dial in between, so it doesn't really tell you very much. So a lot of people put an aftermarket gauge in, which is what I've done. Now where are we going, John? Oh yeah, we've got to go that way, so around the country roads. So it drives completely different from the Cobra. So the Cobra is a lot lighter actually on the steering, but then I guess it would be because it's a light car overall, even though it's got a V8 in the front. This hasn't got powered steering, although the Cobra hasn't either. It's got a lot skinnier tyres, so you would think that it was relatively easier, or would be relatively easier, and lighter on the wheel. It's fine when you're going, but if you have to do any manoeuvring at slow speed, it's just hard work. It's like doing wrestling. So I have ordered a powered steering kit for it, which should be here in a couple of weeks, and that'll be great once you get that on there. So we're just driving through a little village called Poddington, which, if you know drag strips, you'll be familiar with this, because this is the village where Santa Pod is. It's quite a bit busy here, so let's wait for traffic. So we're going to go past Santa Pod in a second, or the entrance to it, rather than the actual venue. They've just redone their strip, so over the winter they dug up all of the tarmac and have laid concrete down there. So we've only had a couple of events on it so far on the concrete, but they're hoping for faster times this year once it sort of starts bedding in. There's Santa Pod on the left. We're just going over the A45 now, and we're going to drop into a roundabout, and then the entrance to the show is just there. So most people will be coming across on this road. We're just taking the more scenic route. To get here, we should now start seeing other classics and bikes. bit early. So we're just in a bit of a queue here because it doesn't actually open till 4:30, and it's 20 past 4 now. So a little bit early. But I guess they'll probably open up in a second when they realise that it's a bit of a queue. And we're blocking up the road a bit. There we go, it's starting to trickle in now, I think. Let's get me £3 ready. This is all hot and sweaty because it's been in my trouser pocket. We're not destined for left and right hand drive here. So the lady is on the wrong side.
You're going on to the next one.
Oh, bless you, thank you. Thank you, that's a bit easier.
Thank you very
Bless
much.
you, thanks so much.
Take care.
We are here very early doors. The ice cream van is in front of us. So you've got classics on one side of the field, which is obviously where we're heading. And you've then got sort of general public parking on the other side. Thank you. Loads of people know loads of people here because everyone's stopping to chat. And trader stands all set up and raring to go. Now we're on the front queue. We're the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with the 8th car in. Oh, 9th car in, can't count. So it's early in the event here. So, as I say, we're actually here before it's opened, so there's not many cars here at the moment. And we'll just kind of tool along, see what's here, and then as more start filling in, we'll show you those as well. Okay, so we're heading home. My back's killing me, walking around so much. I'll try and get out without running people over. Too bad. Go on the top there. See how we go. Cheers.
Don't scratch my car.
No, don't worry. Thank you.